Hey guys, I wanted to do a video on this chocolate fondue that's in Ping Pong. I had to do a separate video for it just because I love it so much. I remember it being so good. Let me try it again. Come in the camera, Taslim, and tell them.
It's actually very, very
I'm
good.
not even being dramatic. This is not part of even the main vlog, like
It's not part of the 50%, but
menu. Yeah,
when
but
you come here,
it's worth it. It's like £5, I think.
it's good. It comes with some ice cream.
It's vanilla ice cream, isn't it?
Yeah.
Try the ice cream on its own. You like it? It's good
I
ice
don't
cream
love
as
the
well.
ice cream.
It's
I
good
love
vanilla.
this bit.
You like flavoured ice cream, innit?
Yeah. But I do really like
Oh,
this cake.
guys, look at the inside. I have to show them this. Oh my god.
Show them my one. My one looks better. Do you see that?
Put it a bit higher. It's just
Such
so
a
good.
big bag. It's actually a big
I
bag.
know. It's just too good.